Hey guys, I'm here at my meetup and you can see there's some interesting cars that have turned up. Yeah, that's a beast. Also a genuine Carrera RS. It's for sale at the moment for $345,000 US if anyone's interested. That's the host.
Hey, when you're all in Southern California, come on by.
So this is Mike's car. This is actually a road registered 997 Cup car. It actually has a full VIN and everything. Apparently it's the only one. So that's really cool. This thing has a 3.6 twin plug. He's also got a hot rod and a 360. Anyway, I'm going to go have a bit more look at these cars. This is a real treat getting to sit in the fantastic 918. Yeah, this little meetup turned out to be a lot more interesting than I thought. Yeah.
So today I'm actually heading down to a Pelican Parts Cars and Coffee, so you can see we're just getting ready to roll out and there's some really nice cars. And I'm going to be travelling in Mike's beautiful 69 911 back there, so we'll go and have a look at some cars and have a fun time. Now this is Dave's car, Dave, flying Hawaiian.
And they call me Hawaiian time.
Hawaiian time. And this is a gorgeous, it's a 3.6 twin plug, 3.8 twin plug with 11.5 to 1 compression, and it sounds awesome and it is pristine. It is super clean.
Do it right. There's no like shortcuts. No
Yeah,
bullshit.
yeah, that's it. Like everything is super crisp and clean. And of course, yeah. And of course, Mark's beast. Mark's a 3.6 X-Race car. Yeah.
Quite a bunch.
Alright guys, I just rocked up at Pelican Parts Cars and Coffee and let's have a look around. See, this is a car that we didn't get in Australia, but this. Okay, here's something you don't see every day. 4 Carrera GTs in a row. And what my car wants to be. And this has got to be the best factory wing on any car ever. I love this thing. Alright guys, that was Pelican Parts, Cars and Coffee. I'm sitting here with Mike, Rennch. I'll put a link to his YouTube channel. He's got some cool DIY 911 stuff. Yeah, we're heading back now. That was a great day. And it's pretty much the end of my time here in LA. I've had no time off, but it was good to see some cool cars and go on a drive. So, alright guys, see you next time.